Hey guys, we're here today with a new BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Deep Cleaner, and I'm so excited to share this with you. We have some spots on our carpet from our new puppy who, she was a rescue dog. She's amazing, she's adorable, but the house training has been a little bit extra crazy because that's what happens when you have a dog on the streets and the whole world has been her bathroom. So this product is great for especially cleaning up after pets, muddy paw prints, pet accidents, that type of thing. But anybody really who has a house that's got a carpet with a high traffic area, messy children, that type of thing. So we're going to do a demonstration for you and let you see for yourself just how well this carpet cleaner works. And yeah, so stay tuned. So we did a spot already, so the floor is a little bit damp, but I wanted to show you, so there's a good spot here and then a little spot here, or well, kind of a bigger spot. So I just wanted to make sure you had a good before. So we're gonna record while we do the whole process. You kind of do the spray twice and then go back over it twice as a dry spot. So we're gonna do that so you can see it as the process happens. But I think we'll do the pre-treatment the next time, and then that spot's completely gone. So I'm really excited about that. We have a few more spots that we're gonna do here, but yeah, I'm really pleased with those results. And both of those spots have been here for quite some time. So the fact that the first one was gone, the second one's much smaller, but still a little bit there, and then that third spot is basically gone as well. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, guys. And as you move along in your cleaning process, the clean water from the top chamber becomes dirty water in the bottom chamber after you've cleaned your carpets, and it all gets sucked back up. Clearly, it's done some good work.